Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by selecting the cells whose font you want to change. This targets only the content you intend to style. Once selected, move to the toolbar and click the current font name to open the font menu so you can see available options. Make sure to use the search box to type part of a font name or scroll to preview choices. This immediate preview helps you decide quickly. Choose a font and the selected cells update so you can evaluate readability and tone. Once you have the font, adjust size and weight to improve clarity and hierarchy. Click the size dropdown or type a number for precise control. You can toggle bold, italic, underline, and strike through from the toolbar to emphasize data. Use them sparingly for readability. For more control, choose Format Text to access advanced options like capitalization and wrap. Apply these to entire ranges to keep styling consistent. Make sure to test on a few cells first, so visual balance stays consistent across the sheet. To finish, copy your new style using Paint format so multiple areas match instantly. Click the Paint roller and paste the style where needed. Once done, verify alignment and wrap settings so text doesn't truncate. Adjust column widths if necessary. If you need to revert, use Format Clear formatting to remove changes. If fonts don't display correctly on another device, make sure the other user's browser supports that font or switch to a web-safe option. This resolves most cross-device font issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.